Chef Dean from Full Plate Colorful Palette. Today's recipe, a simple chicken stock. Let's get this going. What I'm using for today's chicken stock are leftovers from a previous soup. Celery, carrots, and onions. I place these into a large stock pot with a chicken carcass. I fill to cover, then add a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. I place this stock on the stove top, put my temperature on high until the stock comes to a boil. Lower the heat and allow the stock to simmer for about 2 hours. You can strain your stock through a colander and discard all the vegetables and chicken, leaving behind delicious chicken stock.